The general idea behind a case competition is students are presented with a problem, a real-life situation that an organization or an enterprise is currently experiencing or has experienced in the past. Students are provided information around those problems, and they come up with a solution.
The case competitions are really important for students. It doesn't make any difference, which case competition it is, and we participate currently in 5. They all allow students to develop their analytical skills, their strategic planning skills, but also it allows the student to work as a part of a team.
So for the NASI case competition, our project was to look at the DC, Maryland, and Virginia area and help address the challenge that's going on with our Medicare and Medicaid patients. So really, hospitals right now are looking at how to save money, especially in looking at how our senior population will be so increased in the next 15 or 20 years and how we'll be able to support that.
We met for maybe 40 hours a week, honestly, to just go over our strategy and highlight exactly what we were going to do, and as well as our presentation styles on how we were going to tackle the case.
The solution we presented in our case was to create a care triad. A care triad is something that we use here at Rush and the Medical Home Network, along with the Medicaid population. Kind of took that same idea and expanded it amongst the Medicare population, where we would have a licensed social worker, a registered nurse, and along with a care coordinator.
They did a very good job in terms of their delivery, but there are 31 other teams that they're competing against. So it's always the luck of the draw when you are assigned to a room, but they did a superb job. They worked together well as a team. Their delivery was excellent, and I think they really learned something about themselves as well as about a new subject matter.
It was a great learning experience. We were able to hone in on our presentation strategies and skills, and we were able to really develop our leadership qualities as well.
Every day it was events that got us in line with top level executives to make sure we can expand our network. So me and my classmates, we actually had real job interviews while we were there. We actually met different executives while we were there in the network.
You're sitting side by side with people in the executive suite, leaders that you wouldn't come across on a regular day. And it's just so amazing to bring those people back down to a personable level and just be able to go and introduce yourself and say, hi, I'm a part of this case competition and I know of your institution. I would love to learn more about it, or even ask for advice.
This is the opportunity for them to integrate all these very disparate ideas, quality and finance and leadership, and be able to defend it and present it in a way that's coherent. It's pretty cool.